Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to minimize windows as a separate thumbnail in dock. So by default, macOS can display minimize window as a separate thumbnail on the right side of dock instead of placing them inside the applications icon. Many users prefer this layout because it's easy to see and reopen individual minimize window without first clicking on the app icon. As you can see in my Mac, as soon as I minimize any window, it will instantly go to the app instead of creating a separate thumbnail. So if you'd like your minimized window to appear as a separate thumbnails, here's what you have to do. First, click on the Apple logo and choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, go to Desktop and Dock, and finally disable the toggle right to minimize windows into application icon. And that's it. Now minimize any window, and instead of being grouped inside apps dock icon, it will appear as its own thumbnail near the right side of the dock, making it easier to identify and restore it again. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.